fabulous fourth grade friends. Welcome to virtual learning. Today, or this week actually, I want you to draw your own coat of arms. So you're going to find this lesson on the Google Classroom, and everything that I have posted for you is on there. There's a video of what a coat of arms is. There is also the document that you're going to find this paper. So I have posted this on Google Classroom for you, and this is your own coat of arms. So you're going to see a shield with 4 different sections and a ribbon. And then at the bottom, it's going to say, choose 4 of the subject areas below and draw 1 in each section. 1, 2, 3, 4. Your name goes in the ribbon. So there are a few different things that you can choose from. You can choose from your favorite hobby or interest, your first initial, favorite sport, favorite food, the year where you were born, or your favorite subject. Now, 4th grade, if you have a printer at home, you can print this paper off of the Google Classroom and just draw right on it. If you don't have a printer, you can look at this and then just take any other sheet of paper and draw it on here. So I'm going to go ahead and draw it on here. But like I said, if you have a printer at home, you can just print it out and draw it directly on the paper that I have included for you. But I'm just going to draw it by myself. So I'm going to go ahead and take another sheet of paper, and it can be any piece of paper you have, and I'm going to draw my coat of arms or my shield. And I'm going to draw it the very best that I can. Mrs. Couts is pretending that I don't have a printer. And that's okay. Okay, so here's my shield. And then my ribbon is going to go at the bottom. Like that. Okay, so there's my shield and my ribbon. Now I'm going to go ahead and divide it into 4 sections with just like a T down the middle. And then I'm going to pick 4 of these things. So my favorite hobby or interest, my favorite initial, my favorite sport, my favorite food, the year that I was born, my favorite subject. So my first initial is M. So in one of these boxes, I'm going to go ahead and draw a bubble or a block letter M. And then my favorite food is pizza. So in one of these other boxes, I'm going to draw a pizza slice with some pepperonis on it. Okay, and then my favorite subject is art. So I'm going to draw like a paint palette with some different globs of paint and a paintbrush. And then my favorite hobby is I love to read. So I'm going to draw a book. Like that. Maybe with some words on it. And then I am finished. I'm going to go ahead and draw or write my name in the ribbon. When you are finished, I would like for you to try to color this at home, and you can use anything that you have at home. I have these skinny markers, so I'm going to go ahead and use the skinny markers for my drawing. And when you are coloring in, 4th grade friends, I do want you to color back and forth in the same direction, just like we would do at school. Okay, and if you have a black marker, when you're all finished, you can outline it just like we normally would with our Sharpies. So I'm going to try my very best to color. I'm going to color the cheese of my pizza yellow, and then I think I'm going to color the background of this section purple. I always like to outline things and then color them in. And like I said, when you're coloring, I want you to color back and forth in the same direction. Try to get all those white spots. Don't color sloppy. You should be coloring back and forth in the same direction. And I'm going to color the background of this section just one color. So I'm going to color this purple. And then I'm going to go back with a red. I'm going to pretend I'm finished with that even though I'm not. And color in my little pepperonis with my red. And I'm going to go ahead and color all 4 of my sections. I'm not going to do this on the video because I don't want to have you sit here and just watch me color. But I do want you to color in all 4 sections, and then you can even go down to the bottom and color your ribbon. Maybe I'll color my ribbon orange. And then I'm gonna go back over my name with a black marker, since I'm coloring over top of my name. Mrs. Counts. All right, my fabulous 4th grade friends, so your virtual assignment for this week is that I would like for you guys to go ahead and draw your own medieval coat of arms. We talked about medieval art with our illuminated letters and also with our stained glass windows. You're gonna find this paper on the Google Classroom. You can look off of this, or you can go ahead and print it on your computer and draw straight on here. You have 4 sections on your coat of arms. You're gonna pick 4 of these from the bottom and draw 1 in each section. So I chose my favorite food, my first initial, my favorite hobby, my favorite subject. When you are finished, I want you to go ahead and try to color it with anything that you have at home. Have fun, 4th grade friends. Miss you guys.